Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set sharpen on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and new, just select a photo from your gallery, and new, you can find the lower bar and you can find different tools and you can edit your photo. But now if you want to set the sharpen, click to the details option next to the focus button, and here you can find the second option, the sharpen, next to the details, and here you can use the manual, and you can use the erase button if you want to delete your editing. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.